What is mutual fund? How to invest in mutual funds? Full guide in simple way. If you save money but don't know where to invest it, if fixed deposits give low returns and the stock market feels risky, then this video is just for you. Today we will talk about mutual funds, a powerful tool that can make even a common man rich if invested wisely. Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we'll discuss what are mutual funds, how do they work, what types are there, how to invest safely, which apps to use, and what precautions you must take. What is mutual fund? In simple words, a mutual fund is a pool of money collected from many investors and managed by a professional fund manager. This money is then invested in shares, bonds, or other securities. Example: suppose you can't afford to buy 10 shares of a company on your own. But if 100 people like you each invest 1000 rupees, then together 1 lakh rupee can be invested across multiple companies. That's the power of mutual funds diversification. Investors put their money in a common pool. A SEBI registered fund manager handles investments. Profit or loss is distributed among investors based on their units. You don't need to be an expert. The fund manager works for you. Types of mutual funds. Now let's understand the major types of mutual funds. First, equity mutual funds. Invest in stock market, high risk, high return, best for long-term investors. Second, debt mutual funds. Invest in government and corporate bonds. Low risky, steady return, suitable for short-term needs. Third, hybrid funds. Combination of equity and debt, balance risk and return. Fourth, index funds. Track indices like Nifty or Sensex. Passive fund, low cost. ELSS, tax saving funds. Get tax benefit under 18C. Lock-in period of 3 years. Mostly equity based. Each fund type has a purpose. Choose according to your goal. How mutual funds work? Let's say you invest 5000 rupees every month through SIP into an equity mutual fund. Based on the NAV, net asset value that day, you get units. Example: if NAV is 50 rupees, you get 100 units. If NAV goes up, your investment grows. If it drops, your investment falls. Key concepts: NAV is price of 1 unit of the fund. Your own units, no directed shares. Your returns depend on fund performance. How to invest in mutual funds? Steps to start investing. First, complete your KYC. PAN, Aadhaar, bank details. eKYC can be done online easily. Second, SIP West lump sum. SIP is systematic investment plan, monthly. Lump sum is one-time big amount. 3. Best apps to invest: Grow, Zerodha Coin, Quera, Paytm Money, ETM Money. Direct West regular plans. Direct, no commission, more return. Regular, agent gets commission, less return. How to choose a good fund? Set your investment goal. Check funds. How to choose a good fund? Set your investment goal. Check funds past performance. Look at expense ratio, AUM, and fund manager's record. Pro tip for beginners: start with index funds or ELSS. Power of SIP and compounding. The real magic of mutual funds lies in compounding. Example: if you invest 5000 rupees per month for 20 years at 12% average return, you get 49 lakh rupees. Invested amount 12 lakhs. In 30 years is 1.7 crore rupees. That's the power of SIP plus patience. Start early, stay consistent, and don't stop. Risk and safety. Are mutual funds risky? Answer: equity funds are market linked, so yes, they carry risk, but over 5 to 10 years, market trends usually give good returns. Debt funds are safer for short-term goals. Safety points: regulated by SEBI, only invest via verified apps and AMFI registered funds. Use two-factor authentication. Your money can't be withdrawn without OTP and consent. Tips for beginners. If you are just starting out, follow these tips. First, start with SIP. Even 5,000 rupee per month is enough. Second, don't panic during market downs. Third, avoid checking an AV daily. Fourth, don't stop SIPs midway. Fifth, always keep an emergency fund separately. Sixth, don't invest all your money at once. Investing is not about timing the market. It's about timing the market. So friends, I hope you learned everything about mutual funds today. What they are, how they work, and how to invest and how to invest smartly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Comment below with your questions and tell me, are you planning to start a SIP this month?